Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to announce messages in Line 2024. First thing you do is open up your Line app and then you tap on the get icon at the top right corner. Then you scroll down to notifications, tap on notifications. It's on, make sure it is on. Then next thing you go to message notification. This is your message notification. And then you turn it on, make sure it is on, so alert. And for the sound, app provided sound. You can also change it to the one you want, the phone app, or change it. It's your business. You can do it that way. You can also choose lock screen for the notification to show. You want to show, you don't want to show, you tap on don't show. If you want to be hidden, tap on hide content to show that you have notification but to not show you exactly what's on it. Why we choose don't show notification, it means that it will show it at all. So you can also decide for it to ignore, do not disturb or not. You can choose for vibration to be on or turn it off, so it depends on you. That's it. That is how to announce messages in Line 2024. You can also get previews of message push notifications, so make sure this is turned on too. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.